Alright, this is a video how to remove your exhaust on 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I have it off, but I figured I'd make a video. So, first up, these will be through here with something like this. Just ratchet off with a 13mm. It should come right off. There are 4, 2 on each one. Then get your jack and a piece of wood, and then you'll put it right underneath this spot to jack it up and hold it. Wow, these hangers are pretty impossible to get off because of the gap. You can't pull them off. So in here are screws, 2 of them on each side. You just unscrew them from that little bracket right there. After that, back here there's this little bracket that goes into that hanger right here, and it hangs on this as well. So once you get it out of here, I use double D40 and some vice grips. Just grab on one here and one on the rubber on the side and just push out, and then that'll come off, and then it's hanging on this piece of metal. Just take that off. It's just hooked on right here. And then after that, I just have one more up here. Just used a breaker bar because it's really jammed in here. Breaker bar shoved in right here, and then pull back on the exhaust, or just on the tip, and it'll slip right out. Then all you need to do is lower the jack down, and it'll be on the floor, and then just drive out because this thing is heavy. Here's the sound from the inside.
I'm Dr. Sanjay Gupta.
Just goes silent if you let off and coast.